Hi. Let's learn about Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a team-focused management approach that aims to improve performance by reducing resource waste and defects. It combines Six Sigma tools with the lean manufacturing/lean enterprise philosophy to eliminate waste of physical resources, time, effort, and talent while ensuring quality in production and organizational processes. In simpler terms, any use of resources that doesn't create value for the end customer is considered waste and should be eliminated. Lean Six Sigma is a combination of lean methodology and Six Sigma strategy. Lean methodology, established by Toyota in the 1940s, aims to remove non-value-adding activities from the production process. Six Sigma, established in the 1980s by Motorola, seeks to identify and reduce defects in the production process and streamline variability. The combination of Lean and Six Sigma emerged as large U.S. manufacturers sought to compete with Japan's high-quality products and was introduced by Michael George and Robert Lawrence Jr. in their 2002 book Lean Six Sigma, combining Six Sigma with lean speed. The lean concept focuses on reducing and eliminating 8 kinds of waste known as downtime, defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. On the other hand, Six Sigma refers to tools and techniques used to improve manufacturing processes and reduce defects and variations. Lean Six Sigma utilizes the DMAIC phases, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, as a data-driven method to optimize and stabilize business and manufacturing processes. The techniques and tools used for Lean Six Sigma include the DMAIC phases and the following steps. 1. Define. Define the problem from a company, stakeholder, and customer perspective and figure out the quality expectations and extent of the problem. 2. Measure. Examine the current process and determine whether it meets quality expectations, supported by actual performance data. 3. Analyze. Examine gathered information to finalize the problem's nature, scope, and cause. 4. Improve. Structure a solution, test it, and verify the improvement using performance data. 5. Control. Monitor improvement, finalize performance criteria, and prevent recurrence of the original problem. Lean Six Sigma uses belt levels to denote expertise, with specifications varying depending on the certifying organization. The levels include yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and master black belt. Each level represents a different level of expertise. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Lean Six Sigma combines Six Sigma tools with lean manufacturing principles to improve performance by eliminating waste and defects. 2. It seeks to streamline operational processes and reduce defects, originally established by Toyota and Motorola. 3. Lean Six Sigma uses DMAIC phases and techniques to identify and improve existing process problems. 4. The Lean Six Sigma belt levels denote different expertise levels in the Lean Six Sigma approach. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.